Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to integrate Power BI with SharePoint Online and SharePoint Lists. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly connect your SharePoint data to Power BI so you can turn your SharePoint lists into insightful, interactive visuals. If you've ever wanted to make the most out of the data sitting in your SharePoint, this is the perfect video for you. Let's jump right in. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up Power BI on your computer. If you don't have Power BI Desktop yet, go ahead and download it from Microsoft's website. It's free and super straightforward to install. Once you're in Power BI, you'll notice you're on the main dashboard or the Home tab. This is where you start any new project, and today we're pulling in some powerful external data. Next, look for an option that says Get Data or sometimes Get More, depending on your version. Click that to open up the Data Connection wizard. Think of this like opening the gateway between Power BI and a huge variety of data sources, everything from files and databases to all kinds of online services, including, you guessed it, SharePoint. Once the window pops up, you'll see a search bar. Start typing Share into that box. This will quickly filter down your options. You'll notice quite a few SharePoint choices pop up, but what we're after is specifically SharePoint Online lists. This is because our focus today is on integrating your live, cloud-based lists, not the older, on-premises SharePoint sites. So go ahead and select SharePoint Online lists and then hit Connect. Now here, where you need to carefully input the URL of your SharePoint site. This is super important. Make sure you copy the exact web address of the site where your SharePoint list lives. Double check for typos. Even a small mistake can prevent Power BI from finding your data. And don't worry if your site has a long or complex name, just copy the full URL from your browser while you're on the SharePoint homepage. After pasting in the URL, Power BI will usually prompt you to log in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. This ensures your data stays safe and that only authorized users can access the information. Go ahead and enter your usual work email and password. If you're already logged in elsewhere, sometimes Power BI recognizes your account automatically, but if not, just follow the prompts. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if there's a little spinning icon while it connects. Once you're in, Power BI will show you a list of all the available lists and data sources on that SharePoint site. Take a look through. If you have a lot of projects or lists, use the search function to quickly pinpoint the list you need. When you find your project or your specific list, click it to select it. Now just hit Load. Power BI will grab all the data from your SharePoint list and bring it into a new workspace. Depending on the size of your list, this can be really quick, or if you have a ton of entries, it might take a few extra seconds. Either way, you're almost there. With the data loaded, you can immediately start building visuals, whether it's charts, tables, or even custom dashboards, all directly from your SharePoint list data. What's great is that any updates to your SharePoint list can be reflected in Power BI, keeping your reports dynamic and up to date. It's like bringing your SharePoint content to life, making it way easier to spot trends or share insights with your team. And that's all there is to it. Integrating Power BI with SharePoint Online lists is a fantastic way to get more value out of your existing tools and make smarter decisions with your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues, and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.